lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and for my existing subscribers, I appreciate you for coming on back. Today's video is another Tellin' What I'm Selling. Now, if this is the first time you stumbled on my channel and you're like, what the hell is that? That sounds so corny. It's just one of my other ways that I make money. Quick, easy cash. Basically, what I do is take items around my home that I'm not using anymore, and I list them on buy-sell sites such as Kijiji and Facebook Marketplace. For those of you that have been following me for quite some time, you know that I do quite well on Facebook Marketplace. In these videos, I like to show you the item I'm selling. I also like to tell you which site the customer contacted me on, and then I give you the reason why I'm selling it as well, and if I've bought anything with the money, I like to include that as well. Sometimes I don't buy anything at all and I'll just save it until I really need something. The customer today contacted me on, of course, Facebook Marketplace for two items. The first one is, they're both halter tops, by the way, and the first one looks like this, and it's listed for $5. This is the other one. I'll just show you the detailing. I don't know if you were able to see in the other one, but the reason that I'm selling is because I probably wore them like once many years ago in my younger clubbing days, and obviously I can't fit into them anymore. I mean, nor are they really quite my taste anymore, so he's willing to take them off my hands. I guess he's buying them for his daughter, but yeah, that is the reason that I'm selling. My question to you though is, would you have sold these two halter tops or would you have kept them? Let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna go ahead and meet the customer downstairs in my lobby. If you do decide to sell items, definitely meet them in a public area if you can. I live in an apartment building. Never do I have the person coming to my door. I always meet them in the lobby where it's always quite busy. There's cameras. I always meet them downstairs, and we can still social distance. I do have something in mind that I want, and it's way more than $10, but I could put it towards that. So after I've met my customer and I've gone to the store, I'm gonna show you what it is that I got. Hey lovelies, so I'm back. He was happy, and I went to the store, Sephora, and got what I wanted to get. Oh, it is the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb All Over Veil, and it's in the shade Cognac Candy. It is so beautiful. I have the other one, but it's like the travel size, and it's called How Many Carats. So that's what that one looks like, and it's so pretty. So because I loved it so much, I had to get this one. Look at it, it's so pretty. How lovely is this? I'll swatch it for you guys. It is so soft. It's like butter. There we go. That's better. Look how pretty that is on the skin. Oh. I'll swatch the other one for you just in case you haven't seen it, but you probably have, but I'm gonna swatch it for you. Look at that. I love it so much. I just love them so much. Like the how many carats, I honestly put that on my face and then I go outside and in the sun I'm just like a freaking glistening disco ball. Or I'll put it on my chest. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. So pretty. I would definitely recommend them if you don't have them already. That's everything to my video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. I definitely like to see that. Or if you have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos, and subscribe if you haven't already. It is free, and then you'll get to see all of my videos. Thanks for watching, lovelies, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!